A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal showdown, the U.S. Department of Justice has filed a civil lawsuit against California's Department of Education and the California Interscholastic Federation, alleging violations of federal civil rights laws. The lawsuit claims that California's policies force girls to compete against boys in athletic events, which the Justice Department argues undermines equal athletic opportunities for girls and creates a hostile educational environment. This legal action comes in the wake of a controversial incident where a transgender athlete, A.B. Hernandez, won 2 statewide high school track and field events. The new rules implemented by California's sports governing body allowed Hernandez to compete in girls' events, resulting in shared victories that have ignited a fierce debate about the fairness of such policies. Attorney General Pamela Bondi emphasized the Justice Department's commitment to protecting equal opportunities for women and girls in sports. The governor of California has previously admitted that it is deeply unfair to force women and girls to compete with men and boys in competitive sports, she stated, asserting that these policies are not only unfair but also illegal under federal law. The lawsuit cites Title IX, a federal law prohibiting sex-based discrimination in educational programs receiving federal funding. The Trump administration's legal action against California threatens to withhold billions in federal education funds, citing that the state's policies violate the rights of female athletes. California's Governor Gavin Newsom has responded to the lawsuit by clarifying that neither he nor his administration is named in the suit. He stated that the California Department of Education and the CIF operate independently and are adhering to state laws that align with the rights of transgender students, which were established in 2013. Newsom has criticized the federal government's interpretation of Title IX, arguing that California is following the law, not political opinions. In a letter addressed to California public school districts, Harmeet Dillon, head of the Justice Department's Civil Rights Division, labeled CIF's policies regarding transgender athletes as unconstitutional. She argued that depriving female students of athletic opportunities based on their sex constitutes sex discrimination under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The Trump administration's lawsuit comes amid a broader national conversation about transgender rights and participation in sports, with similar cases already making their way through the courts. The stakes are high, as California stands to lose approximately $44.3 billion in federal funding, a significant portion of which is allocated for education. The California Attorney General's office has pledged to defend the state's position, asserting that they will uphold the rights of all students, including transgender individuals. This legal battle is expected to escalate, with both sides preparing for a protracted fight in court. As the conflict unfolds, it highlights the deep divisions in American society over issues of gender identity and equality in sports. The outcome of this lawsuit could set a precedent that impacts not only California but potentially the entire nation, as various states grapple with similar policies and the implications of federal law on state governance. In summary, the clash between California's policies supporting transgender athletes and the Trump administration's legal challenge is emblematic of the broader cultural and political battles over civil rights and gender identity in the United States. As both sides prepare for a legal showdown, the implications for students, athletes, and educational institutions are profound and far-reaching. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.